Hey everyone, in this video we'll be comparing two of the latest TP-Link mesh Wi-Fi systems, the Deco AX3000 and the Deco AX5400. We'll be evaluating them in different categories to help you decide which one is better for your home. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Let's get started. Both the Deco AX3000 and the Deco AX5400 offer great Wi-Fi coverage, but the AX5400 has a slight edge with coverage of up to 7,200 square feet compared to the AX3000's 6,500 square feet. The AX5400 also has a dedicated backhaul on the 6 GHz band, providing for stable connections between nodes. The Deco AXE5400 is faster with a total speed of up to 5,400 Mbps for 200 devices, compared to the AX3000's 2,402 Mbps plus 574 Mbps for a total of 2,402 plus. The AXE5400 also has a 2.5 Gbps port and 2 gigabit ports per unit, providing for blazing fast wired connections. Both systems have impressive AI to optimize Wi-Fi performance, but the Deco AXE5400's smart Wi-Fi ensures a seamless connection for its users wherever they are without interruption. It automatically learns your network environment, client quality, and user behaviors for the best performance possible. The Deco AX3000 has 3 gigabit Ethernet ports per unit, while the AX5400 has 2 gigabit and one 2.5 Gbps port per unit. This gives the AX5400 the ability to take full advantage of your multi-gig broadband speed, up to 2.5 Gbps, which may be useful for some users. The Deco AX3000 has a price of $279, while the AX5400 is priced at $499. Though the AX5400 has more advanced features, the price difference may be a deciding factor for some users. That wraps up our comparison between the TP-Link Deco AX3000 and the Deco AX5400. Both systems offer exceptional features, but the AX5400 has a slight edge over its counterpart. However, the price difference is significant, and users should choose depending on their specific needs and budget. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.